कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्वत्तमनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ता padam gacchantanamayam. Namaste everyone. On the auspicious occasion of Gita Jayanti, VKB Kupurizo celebrated the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. It was a day filled with devotion, knowledge and reflection. The celebration began with a books exhibition featuring various editions of the Bhagavad Gita. The display included treasure books from the school library and personal collection contributed by our teachers. Many teachers also marked the day by purchasing Bhagavad Gita books online, embracing the teachings of this sacred text. The students of our school came together to chant slokas from the Bhagavad Gita in perfect harmony. A special Swadhyay session was organized for the teachers, allowing them to engage in self-study and reflect on the deeper meaning of the Gita. The session fostered a sense of spiritual connections and learning. Teachers also shared selected slokas along with their meanings, inspiring everyone to understand and apply the wisdom of the Gita in their daily lives.
आत्मैवरिपुरात्मनः, इसका अर्थ है, सरल अर्थों में अगर मैं बताऊं, छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी हैं ताकि समझ जाएं, मनुष्य का उद्धार यानी जो कल्याण है वो अपने ही हाथ में है। आप अपना भविष्य अच्छा बना सकते हो और बुरा भी बना सकते हो, वो आपके ऊपर है, आप अपना भविष्य कैसा चाहते हो। कोई बाहरी या कोई दूसरा आपके कल्याण के लिए विचार दे सकता है। सुबह सर ने बताया था कि श्रीमद् भगवत गीता के आखिरी श्लोक में है, भगवान श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं, मैंने जो उपदेश देना था, जो ज्ञान देना था, जो सुझाव देना था, दे दिया, आगे तुम्हारी मर्जी। रास्ते दो हैं, एक अच्छा रास्ता है, एक बुरा रास्ता है। चलना आपके ऊपर है, कहाँ जाना। इन्हीं विचारों के साथ मैं अपने विद्यालय के
Sir, and my dear children, every morning we all teachers sing this Karma Yoga Slok Sangra, and from that one of the slokas that is my favorite, I am going to recite that and tell you the meaning of it. It is such a useful sloka for every one of us. If we imbibe that within our life, then it can enrich ourselves. We can enrich ourselves. The sloka goes in this way. Karman neva adhikaraste ma phalesu kadachana ma karma phal heturbhur mate sangostva karmani. The simple meaning of this sloka is that you do your work with utmost sincerity. You continue your work. Do not worry about the result. The result will be taken care. If you continue the work of God, surely you will get the result. But you should not worry about it while you are working. You should focus on your work. That's it.
का जो ये श्लोक है उसको पहले मैं थोड़ा डिजिटली बना रहा हूँ, मतलब उसको आपको ऑडियो में सुनाई देगा। उसको पहले सबसे अच्छा है अगर आंख बंद करके हाथ जोड़ कर लेंगे तो सबसे अच्छा होगा, वो सुनने का कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ जाता है। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, क्लोज योर आईज and join your hands.
यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
आत्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय च साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। इसका मीनिंग कुछ ऐसा है, जब जब धर्म की हानि होता है, जब जब अधर्मी वृद्धि होते हैं, तब तब सत पुरुषों की उद्धार के लिए, अधर्मियों की विनाश करने के लिए और धर्म की पुनः स्थापना के लिए मैं ही जन्म लेता हूँ।
Lines of Gita, Karma Yoga Sangra is Karmajam Buddhi Yuktohi Palam Tattva Manishinaha. This means Karma means actions and the Buddhi means intellectual. So if you union this Buddhi and this Karma, then only you will achieve your what you are living for. That thing can be achieved. Okay. So it is clearly mentioned here that Karmajam Buddhi Yuktohi Palan Tattva Manishinaha. Whenever you union this karma and buddhi, that means action and intellect. Your action and intellectual actions combine to achieve your whatever you are living for. That can be achieved only when you union these two things, action and your intellect. So you try to union your this action as well as intellect together to achieve your goals. That's all I will say.
This is volume 1, volume 2 and volume 3. Here 8 volumes are there.
Start.
योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि संगं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सिद्ध्यो समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानम् अवसादयेत् आत्मेव यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मेव रिपुरात्मनः तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुसरयुध्य च।
The Gita Jayanti celebration at VKB Kupurijo was not just an event but a journey of discovering the profound teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. May its timeless message continue to guide us on the path of righteousness and purpose. Thank you everyone.